Welcome back to another session of Grab. Introduction to Grab Text. The Grab Text tool allows you to extract text from an image, and it's incredibly useful when you want to edit or remove text within a picture. Accessing Grab Text. Start by opening the image you want to work on within the design editor. Click on the image to select it. You'll notice the Edit Photo tab appears on the menu bar above the image. Using the Grab Text tool, click on the Edit Photo tab. Within the editing options, you'll see the Grab Text tool. Click on it. Let the AI work its magic. The AI will now process the image, identifying any text within it. Explore your extracted text. After processing, the AI will display the extracted text, and you'll have the freedom to move it, edit, or delete it as you like. Edit or remove text. Click on the extracted text to edit it, change its font, size, or color. If you wish to remove the text, simply select it and click Delete. Enjoy your edited image. The Grab Text tool is a fantastic way to manipulate text within images quickly and efficiently. Have fun experimenting with this handy feature. That's enough grabbing for one course. I will let you take over from here. Thank you for your ongoing dedication to acquiring new skills. See you in the next session,